Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Hydration is important, and I want to show you a bottled water that I really like. This is LIFEWTR, and this is a 1 liter bottle, and I love this because it has a really delicious flavor. So this has electrolytes added for taste, and I also like that because when I am working out, especially in warmer weather and sweating a lot, I like to be able to have a water that has electrolytes in it to help me stay hydrated. So this is a great option for that. I also like that it does come in a 1 liter bottle, so you have plenty of water. And I really like the shape of this bottle because this fits in a lot of cup holders. It also fits in the bottle holder on fitness equipment, so that is really helpful, especially when you are working out. So I really like it for all those reasons. So it's got a delicious flavor, it helps me to stay hydrated. It's got beautiful artwork on the bottles, and they all have different artwork on them, so it's really fun to see what you're gonna get. And overall, it's just a great quality bottled water, and I would definitely recommend it. That's my point of view.